Hola, molt bon dia a tots i a totes des de l'escola Félix Olmos de Favara, a València. Aquesta és la classe de segon i estan en classe d'anglès amb David, amb mi. Que concentrats que estan, Sabeu què estan fent? Estan posant-se les paraules a la memòria. Estan estudiant. Molts pares i moltes mares m'han preguntat: David, què puc fer per ajudar els meus fills a estudiar i aprendre anglès? No sé com fer-ho. Mireu el vídeo sencer i sabreu com ajudar-los també si tenen dificultats. Com podeu veure, s'estan escrivint les paraules de la unitat al seu front i d'aquesta forma a la seva memòria. A més, se les poden escriure també a la mà, al braç o inclús a l'aire. El més important és que després proven escriure-la bé en un paper i comproven que efectivament ho han fet genial. Tot això segur que els ajudarà a tindre seguretat i a estar contents amb l'anglès. Ara vos deixo amb la classe de tercer i veureu com ho practiquem tots junts i que bé que ho sabem fer.
One moment, please. In the memory, we say tail or tie? But tie or and in the mouth? Tail. You see? Tail. Good. Now different. Close. In the mouth? Close. But in the memory? Repeat in the memory? And in your mouth? So, I'm volunteer to come. Well, we do random, okay? Look, here we've got random. Jose, come. Here, you have to write the word. What is the word? Close. But one moment, Jose. Remember, Jose writes close from the mouth or from the memory? From the memory. Good. Let's see. Look, is it correct? Yes. Is this correct? No. It isn't. Because is this from the memory or from the mouth? From the mouth. One more example, please. One more example. Jose, difficult question. Correct. Okay? Good. Next. Here. Different clues. Good. Here. Random. Random is here. Random, look. Maria Isabel. Come, please. Maria Isabel. In hands, is it this or this? Maria Isabel, here you are. In color, green, for example. Here. Let's see. A little bit of help for her, yes? Maria Isabel, look. In the mouth, feathers, and in the memory, feathers con TH. Repeat. In the memory, feathers con TH. Let's see. Remember, Maria Isabel, we write from the mouth or we write from the memory? From the memory. Good. One moment, please. Repeat. Con TH. Repeat. For or fail? one extra, and this is
Feathers.
feathers, yes. Random. Tony Victoria. Tony. Opportunity or opposite part? Here you go. A moment. What is it? Yeah. Whiskers in the mouth, in the memory. Let's see if Tony Victoria has got whiskers in the memory correctly. Oh, come on. Is it correct? This is easy or difficult? Difficult. So look. Let me have it. W H. Yes? So it's whiskers con H y T o K. So whiskers. Repeat. Whiskers con H y K. Repeat on it. This is in the memory. And the mouth? Whiskers. Good. Here. Yes, excellent. Is it perfect?
Yes.
Tony Victoria, come.